Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Stock Watch. Today is currently the 21st of November 2021, which means it's a Sunday, and of course tomorrow the markets open as it is a Monday, the first trading session of the week. And going into this new trading week, I have my eyes on two stocks in particular. One is PayPal and the other is American Airlines. Now, for those who are new to my YouTube channel, you should know that I currently do have a trade open in PayPal, as well as my Signal team over on our Telegram group chat. And we've just opened, well, we're planning to open a trade in American Airlines, which, by the way, I share on my streaming service. This is the website, dailymarketmovements.com, and you can follow my videos as I keep you all updated throughout the week and share those exact entry and exit plans throughout these videos, and of course I also post it on the Telegram chat. So if you would like to receive those signals, then please head over to my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the website link in the description of this video. So let's start today's video with PayPal. Now, PayPal has come under some significant amount of pressure in the past couple of weeks. In fact, we have declined 37% in the past. Let's just do that from a time perspective. In the past 116 days. So, that's a very steep loss. I think we peaked up at our all-time high back on the 26th of July. And since then, we have pretty much traded towards the downside, accelerating our losses in the past couple of weeks. And this, of course, was because we reported earnings which actually come in line with expectations, but investors just weren't very happy. And of course, PayPal announced recently that they were interested in buying the e-commerce company Pinterest, which shareholders obviously were not happy about at all. And, we've seen the stock decline rather significantly over the past couple of weeks. Nevertheless, I think this is a fantastic opportunity to own the stock. Several reasons why. Look at the RSI, we're down at 22. This means that we're incredibly oversold. In fact, the last time that we were this oversold, it takes you all the way back to the 9th of October 2018, and a very similar scenario played out here in the PayPal stock, where we declined a total of 20%. And of course, shortly afterwards, once the RSI recovered, you can see that V-shape recovery here on the RSI. Once that actually played out, if I just take you to that percentage gauge, we actually managed to rally back around 15%. So I'm not saying that we're going to rally 15% from our current levels. That's not what I'm trying to say. But what I am trying to indicate is that last time we were this oversold, we did see a very nice bounce here in the stock. So I think right now is a fantastic opportunity to own a stock. As well as that, we've just had a gap occur that was on the day when we reported earnings. So, sorry, I should say the day after. So we reported earnings after the bell. And then the following open, we managed to gap towards the downside, and typically speaking, from a technical point of view, stocks like to close gaps. So if we were to close gaps, we would go up to around $228, which indicates a 18.91% move towards the upside. That's a very similar percentage move that we saw back in 2018. But, current levels in this stock take you back to 23rd of November 2020. I was very envious of PayPal shareholders for this period here. This whole, period where the tech stocks really performed very, very well, the stay-at-home stocks, and pretty much from the end of March all the way up until July 2021, I was extremely envious of PayPal shareholders. But now is a fantastic opportunity to get in this stock, which takes us all the way back to November 2020. So I really do like PayPal. I like the fact that they're interested in getting into the crypto market. They're also interested in opening a trading platform. And, by the sounds of it, with their interest in buying a company like Pinterest, it sounds to me that they're interested in getting into the e-commerce business. And this to me is fantastic. This, as a shareholder or as an investor, you want to find a company with a game plan, and PayPal sounds like they have a very good game plan. But of course, I'm not just going to come on here and tell you all about the positives. It's just as fair that I do warn you about the negatives as well. And PayPal does have a few. It's not a perfect stock, and hence that's why we've seen it trade towards the downside in the past couple of weeks. From a technical perspective, this is a very bad sign. We have the 50-day EMA piercing below the 200, which technically means that medium to long term, we could be in a bear market. But if we go back all the way to March 2020, a very similar pattern occurred where the 50-day crossed over the 200-day EMA, forming that bearish crossover. But what happened about a month and a half later? Well, we managed to get back above that 200-day EMA, forming a bullish crossover, and of course that sparked this huge bull run towards the upside. So it does worry me short term, but medium to long term, I really hope that we can bounce back here on that RSI, have that V-shaped recovery as we did back in 2017. And if that is the case, 2018, and if that is the case, that should allow the 50-day EMA to recover its losses and pierce back above the 200-day EMA, forming a bullish crossover, and that could be what sparks the PayPal stock back on a new bullish run here. But I really do like PayPal. I'm going to keep my eyes on it as we go into a new trading week. The other negative thing that could affect PayPal is that we are approaching the end of the tax year very, very shortly. And a stock that's fallen 37% in the past couple of months. You know, you may have some traders who may decide to close their positions out in NASDAQ so that it fights, it goes against their taxes as capital loss. And of course, once the new tax year begins, that's when these traders can then go and reopen these trades. So that's something that I am wary about as well, that could cause some further downside here for PayPal. But I'm looking at this more of a medium to longer term perspective. I think that right at this moment in time, PayPal offers a fantastic buying opportunity, and if we were to trade back towards the all-time highs, that represents a 60% gain. So I really do like my numbers here for PayPal, and I am very bullish on this stock. Let's move over to American Airlines now. American Airlines has kind of been trading in this channel, this zone, for the past couple of months. In fact, this pretty much dates all the way back to the 25th of June 2021. So let's just put it on a time perspective. We've been trading in this channel for about 150 days now, so it has been some time. It has required a lot of patience from American Airlines investors, and we pretty much keep bouncing around from $22 all the way down to roughly $18. You could even argue $19, and it's clear to me that this $18 to $19 area offers some fantastic support here for American Airlines, and we are struggling to break above 22, but we have broken above $22 in the past, where we've traded as high as $26 here for the airline stock. And of course, prior to the global pandemic, we were trading as high as $30 a share, and a few years ago we were trading all the way up at $60 a share. So if we were to trade all the way back up to $60, I'm not saying that that's going to happen anytime soon, but that represents a 205% gain towards the upside, and pre-pandemic levels represents a 60% gain towards the upside. So again, just like PayPal, we have a potential 60% upside potential here in American Airlines, and I really do like this stock. Even if we were to trade up towards 22, I think that offers roughly a 15% gain, yet 15%. And if we were to go up towards $26 a share, that offers a 35% upside movement here. Now, I must be honest with you, from a valuation perspective, if you really look at the numbers, this stock is not the best one out there. But what it is, it's kind of like a meme stock, and it's not as in like a meme, like an AMC or a GameStop, but it is very popular amongst the Robinhood traders, for example. It's a very popular retail stock, and whenever you get any positive news with regards to the pandemic coming to an end, this is one of the stocks that retail traders go to, and it really does rally towards the upside. And we keep seeing these massive, huge spikes towards the upside, and for sure you can see that there's a enormous amount of volatility towards the upsides when it does have a good day, and that's what I like. I'm looking for these stocks that can have some quick upside movements here, some quick 10 to 15% movements towards the upside. I can cash out and compound it on a regular basis. Like, look how many times we've now bounced between $18 and 22. We went once, back down, so twice, 3 times. On 3 occasions we've rallied 15% here in this stock, and if we compounded that with a leveraged or a non-leveraged account, that is a significant amount of profit. So I really do like this stock. I've just posted a signal over on the Telegram group, over on my streaming service, that is, because once you do subscribe to the streaming service, you will get an email with a private link to the Telegram group, and if you would like to go and copy that signal I would definitely recommend going over to the streaming service to subscribe. But I'm going to leave it at that for today. It's a Sunday evening, so I will let you enjoy the rest of your evenings. I will continue to keep you updated, of course, via the streaming service throughout the week, and also on YouTube. And thank you very much for watching today's video, and please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.